Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am partnering with FabFitFun again. If you watch my videos, you know that I've been partnering with them for a really long time, and I will be unboxing the FabFitFun 2019 winter box in this video. You are probably familiar with what FabFitFun is if you're watching this video, but in case you're not, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times a year. They are only $49.99 per box, but you get over $200 worth of products inside. They're all full size beauty, health, wellness, and lifestyle products. They gotta make sure they got you covered for each of the seasons that you're getting these. So they're really cool. If you have not tried them before, use my code BRIT10. I will have it listed on the screen to get your first box for $10 off. FabFitFun is available in the US, Canada, as well as the UK now, and I will have a link to where you can get the box in the description box below with my discount code too. And they also let you customize some of the items in your boxes, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what is inside mine. And if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and let's get started. Each of the FabFitFun boxes are always so cute. I always love to see how each one of them is designed. And if you didn't know, FabFitFun partners with charities and female-founded companies every season. So you will usually see what company or organization they're working with on the box. This season is in support of women's Alzheimer's movement, and inside they will talk a little bit more about the company or organization that they're working with on the little magazine that you get inside. Inside that magazine, you'll also find information about all of the products that you got inside that box, as well as some other fun lifestyle things, and they're actually really cool to look at, so I like looking through here. And then it also tells how much each of the products inside are actually valued at. They also have like little gift cards and vouchers and stuff inside as well, so those are always really nice to use. I already see some really good things. The first thing I picked up is this adorable necklace, which is funny because it's from the brand Adore. I might have said necklace. This is actually a bracelet. They're available at Bloomingdale's, Nordstrom, and AdoreJewelry.com. This is the signature organic circle bracelet. It's beautifully crafted with an asymmetrical shape featuring rose gold plating and a Swarovski crystal. And this says it retails for $39. I think I'm gonna put this on now. That is really pretty. Oh, I really like this a lot. It's so pretty. It's like very shiny too. All right, the next thing I see in here I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to use a coffee scrub for a really long time. And this is the original coffee scrub, 100% natural exfoliator for smooth, glowing skin. It's also got a resealable top, which is really nice because you can keep it in the shower. And it says to use it 2 to 3 times per week for best results. I have to smell this now. Oh my God, that smells so good. It kind of has like an almost citrusy smell to it too, which is actually really nice. And this would be so nice to use in the morning if you take your showers in the morning, because it's just like that energizing smell of coffee in the morning is actually so nice. And this is also vegan. This retails for $16.95. This next thing is extremely exciting for me because I love makeup erasers so much. I use these all the time, and you might think like, why do you need more than one? But I actually like to have more than one. I have 2 at the moment. One of them is like a knockoff though, and it's because obviously they need to be washed. So when they're being washed, what are you gonna use? So this is awesome to have in here. If you haven't tried a makeup eraser, I highly suggest trying them because they are amazing. They work so well. It has totally replaced using makeup wipes for me because it honestly removes all of my makeup with just water, and then I will go ahead and cleanse normally afterwards, but it's so cool. The makeup eraser brand is actually certified cruelty-free too, which is really cool. And the makeup eraser retails for $20, so this alone is like so good to have in here. Can you tell I'm really excited about this? This is the Drybar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler Spray. Drybar is a really great I almost said skincare. It's a hair care brand, and they make some really great cruelty-free hair care. So this says it's a lightweight detangler that uses biotin, vitamins B and C, and sea berry oil to protect hair against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and it leaves hair soft and conditioned. I haven't actually smelt what this one smells like, but I do really love all of the products that Drybar has. They all smell really good and they work really well. hope there's no dentists out there that watch me do that. Yep, that smells really nice. It has a nice spray too, so this is awesome. I'm really glad this was in here. Oh, and this retails for $23. One of my best friends subscribes to FabFitFun, so I always get to see what she gets to. And she also got this bag. She got her box before I did, and it's so cute. She actually uses it all the time. So this is a little side purse from Rene. They make gym bags and like gym gear and stuff. I actually have a gym bag from this brand and I really like it. This little crossbody is made with durable neoprene and it makes it weather resistant, so it's actually really great during this time of year because it rains so much here. It easily fits my phone in here and there's still like a ton of room, so this is awesome. This would also be a really great bag to bring to the gym, or if you do like classes and you don't want to bring a whole lot with you and the equipment's already there, this would be perfect for bringing just like your gym card and your phone and keys. And that little crossbody retails for $17.99. Oh my gosh, slippers! Okay, how cute are these? This is seriously like Christmas already. I love this so much. This brand is called PJ Salvage. These are the faux trim cable slippers to keep your feet extra cozy and supported, and they retail for $45. And I also love that the bottom is like a rubber sole, so if you do need to quickly go outside, like to let your dog out or check the mail or whatever, you could still wear these out there and they're not gonna get soaked. Okay, there's two more things in here. The second to last one is the brand called Cuccio Somatology, I think. It's called Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash, and it is with lavender oil, so that's really nice. Calm your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B, and shea butter. So it's probably also very moisturizing at the same time. This retails for $39.95. That is a pricey hand soap, but let's see how it smells. That would be so nice to use at night, like right before you go to bed, because of the lavender. It's got like a very calming scent. It reminds me of Lush's Dream Cream. If you've ever smelled that before, then that's like literally exactly what this smells like. And the last thing in here looks like it's a giant blanket and it's got like faux fur on it and it looks so soft. Oh, that's so cute. It says unhide for love, not fur. It's fluffy, furry, friendly, fresh, and faux. And I just discovered that this brand Unhide for Love Not Fur is actually co-founded by Ellen DeGeneres. This blanket is called the Lil Marshmallow, and a portion of every purchase made on unhide.us goes to one of her most beloved charities, the Humane Society of the United States. I love this so much. They're also investing in ethical practices, helping the textile industry find alternatives to fur, and they are using resources to develop products that do good. So that's really cool. Yeah, this is a very, very good sized blanket, and it's incredibly soft. How nice would this be just like sitting on the back of your couch and you just like curl up with it and watch a Christmas movie? Oh my God. So excited. And this retails for $65. I am so freaking happy with this box. And that's everything for the 2019 Winter FabFitFun box. I really hope you guys enjoy these videos. I love filming them for you, and it's always so cool to see what everybody else gets in their boxes too. And definitely use my code BRIT10 for $10 off your first box if you have not gotten them before. I highly suggest it. And they also make really great Christmas presents too, so if you wanted to get somebody a subscription for Christmas, then definitely do that for somebody who you think would love to get these boxes, or just get one for yourself. And like I said, the FabFitFun link will be in the description box below along with the discount code. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what types of videos you want to see before like Christmas and the holidays, because I would love to do a lot more. I will have a lot more time to film now than I have in the past like several months. So definitely leave me some suggestions in the comment section below, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.